Want to unlock parental controls or verify your age on Roblox? You can do it all right from your web browser. No need to download or open the Roblox app. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Roblox in your browser. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, go to the official Roblox website. If you don't have an account yet, fill in the sign-up form and click Submit. If you already have an account, click Login instead. Step 2. Enter your real date of birth. When signing up, make sure you enter your actual date of birth. Roblox uses this information to decide which parental controls and settings you get. Step 3. Go to Settings. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. Open Parental Controls. On the left-hand side, click Parental Controls. Scroll down until you find the option that says Verify My Age. Step 5. Start the verification process. Click Begin Verifying to start. Choose your country from the drop-down list. Then click Select. Step 6. Choose your ID type. You'll be asked to select what type of ID you'll use. This could be a driver's license, passport, or another government-issued ID. Step 7. Take a photo of your ID. Click the camera icon on your screen to activate your device's camera. Hold your ID steady and take a clear picture. If you don't have a camera or you're having trouble, click Continue on another device to finish the process on your smartphone or tablet. Step 8. Confirm your photo. After taking the picture, click Use this photo to submit it, or choose Retake Photo if you need a better shot. Step 9. Scan your face. Next, Roblox will ask you to verify your face to match your ID. Click Get Started to use your device's camera, or choose Continue on another device if you prefer to use your phone or tablet. Step 10. Connect your device. You'll see a QR code, a web link, and sometimes an option to send the link by email. The easiest method is to scan the QR code with your phone camera. This will open a secure Roblox verification page that's linked directly to your account. Step 11. Complete face scan. Once the camera opens, slowly turn your head left and right so it can scan your face. When done, the system will automatically send the data and show a green check mark on your main screen. Click Done to continue. Step 12. Final confirmation. If everything checks out, you'll see a Verification Successful message. Click Close to finish. Step 13. Verification complete. You'll now see a verified tick next to your birthday in Settings. That means your ID and age verification were successful. And that's it. You've successfully verified your age on Roblox and unlocked parental controls. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Roblox guides and safety tips.